How are you feeling about this market right now? It's kind of all over the place, right? And maybe you've been hearing those housing crash rumors again. Well, let's go ahead and break it down so it actually makes sense. Hey there, April Borst here with Arizona Best Real Estate, and this is your monthly market update for June 2025. So let's go ahead and start with buyers. So mortgage rates, they're still hovering around 7%. I mean, not amazing, I know, but they're not terrible either. A lot of people are hoping that they're going to drop soon, and hey, maybe they will. But here's my question. What if the perfect home shows up before the rates change? I mean, you can always refinance later, but you cannot go back and get the home that you missed because you waited. Now, for the good news, inventory is rising. We're seeing more homes on the market than we've seen since 2020. So you definitely got more to choose from, which means less pressure and a little more breathing room and maybe even some negotiating power. Now, prices, well, they're holding steady. Most experts are expecting 3 to 5% appreciation this year. So no, prices are not dropping, but we are not in a bidding war chaos either. This is a smart buyer's market. One, we are going to need to be ready, but you don't have to panic. Okay, now let's go ahead. Sellers, let's talk. So yes, buyers are active, but they're more cautious. They're watching every dollar and expecting homes to show up looking polished and move-in ready. That means that strategy is everything. If your home is priced right, staged well, and marketed professionally, well, it's going to sell and quickly. But if it's overpriced, it's going to sit, just plain and simple. Now, right now, homes are averaging about 53 days on the market, and that's slower than last year, but it's totally normal in a balanced market. So if you're thinking about selling, this is not the time to skip the prep work. Photography, staging, digital marketing, pricing, it all matters right now. So whether you're buying or selling, or maybe you're just trying to figure it all out, call, text, or message me. I'm here to help. No pressure, just real talk and solid info. Again, I'm April Borst, here to answer your questions and get you moving. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next month for your next monthly market update. See you later. Bye.